Can we check Instagram's note history? Hello everybody. Today in this video we are going to find out. So let's just dive right into the video. For that you may head over to the bottom right corner of your screen to tap on your profile page. And your profile page opens up. Here you can see your notes on your profile and in the inbox for up to 24 hours after posting them. So if you're looking for note history, unfortunately, we cannot access a specific notes history on Instagram, as notes are something that disappear after 24 hours. However, if you have posted a note, you can see your notes up to 24 hours after posting them. So if you have added a note to a poster reel, it is available for up to 3 days. But apart from that, if you're trying to check the Instagram note history, Instagram has not provided us with that feature yet. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.